Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome once again to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas, and I'm live here every morning, every weekday, and every evening for the closing bell, following all the stocks and stocks and shares. My brain went completely dead there. Stocks and shares every morning, and cryptocurrency, mainly, fundamentally, of course, Bitcoin, which is my main portfolio. What we do here is unique to other YouTube channels. In fact, we're on 20 different platforms right now. Hundreds of thousands of people a day come through our show. We're on Facebook, multiple websites, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, all at the same time. And if you want to get the best experience, the best thing to do is be on YouTube. If you're watching right now on TikTok, click the profile link right here. You'll find another icon, another profile. Click on that, and then you will see my YouTube link. Come on in if you're one of the serious traders. 90% of TikTokers that fly through here in the morning are just looking for naked girls, and I am not that. Or they'll poke fun at my head, or they'll say something silly, and that's fine. Keep on scrolling, but we do appreciate you popping by. If you are one of the 10% and you actually want to trade, discuss with some top-class, very successful traders live in the YouTube chat, then come and join us on YouTube. Click the profile link here, click my icon, and then right behind there you'll see the YouTube link. What we do here, which is quite unique, is I'm first and foremost an entertainer. I'm the world piano man. I trade every day, and then every evening I do my live shows and live concerts. That's what we're all about. But what we do here is we share real trades. We learn from each other. In fact, I learn more from you. This is not about a channel you learning from me. I learn from you. It's the very opposite, in fact. But I have a live portfolio, which I'm going to share on the screen right now. There it is. This is my real money. What I do here is share my real trades, my real money. I'm not a financial advisor. The people in my chat are far better than me, but this is my real money. I've currently got $47,000 in my portfolio. It's my life savings. It's all I have. It's what I've saved from being a piano man. I've paid my mortgage off, paid the car loan off. This is what I'm now investing for my future. Live every day for you. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. That would be great. That really, really helps us promote the channel. We're 9 weeks old this week. We've got an amazing community. The community feels engaged and part of it. I got my first tweet this morning about the show. I'll tell you all about it in a second. Very exciting about it. Very interesting it was. And give us a thumbs up. The reason why we ask you to thumbs up the video, because it's new, we want you to help promote our channel by clicking the thumbs up. It tells YouTube it's a good video, and it puts it out there in front of more people. I'm getting some breaking news already here. Muzanella is here. Hi there, Muzanella. One of our moderators. Leah is here. Atlas, Rolls-Royce would have to do extra to get back up to its previous level. The management has diluted the shares, so an equivalent enterprise value will yield a lower share price than before. Okay, let's have a look. Drop down 4%. I'm still up 43%, so that's still good for me. If you look at my portfolio here, I bought in it a while ago at 132, so I'm still up. I'm still at up 43%, but drop back. It's dropped back. So Atlas, welcome, and thank you for that comment. I'll share it to the screen. In a couple of seconds, when I get the regular team in, I'm going to tell you something that happened overnight on Twitter, which really surprised me about the channel, about what I'm doing here. And it really surprised me, and I'll tell you about it in a second. Just wait till we get about 15, 20 in, and then I'll tell you, because I don't want to repeat it over and over again. But anyway, awful day yesterday, right? Everything was down. My portfolio has never been this low as when I started it back in when was it now? It was May 16th. I put my money here, and I've grown it. Live for you on the show. We've had some dips. Yes, we did. When Virgin diluted the stock and all that kind of stuff and whatever. But I've never had a continual downslide like this. But I've seen it as an opportunity. I've been buying in the dips and not selling the losses, just holding on and so on. Bill is here, grabs his favourite comfy chair in the corner and watches the show and waits for the bell. Yeah, we've got 24 and a half minutes before the bell. Should be interesting. I don't think we're going to get much excitement and much fun here on the show and on the stock market for another couple of weeks, and then I think things are going to build up. So in my opinion, and it's only my humble opinion I have to say, is what we're doing now is just buying dips and just passing time, keeping an eye, learning from each other. Anyway, so just give it a minute, and I want to share with you what happened overnight with Twitter. Right, here we go. We're now up. Oh, I've got some questions here on TikTok. Bitcoin just have a bullish moves. I'm always bullish on Bitcoin. Always bullish because in fact I'm bullish on all the stocks I invest in because that's why I invested in the first place. I do understand there'll be ups and downs and dips and stuff, but this portfolio was built on the premise and the principle that if I slept for 6 months, would I be up 10%? As opposed to putting the money in the bank and getting 0.5%. Yes, I believe so. I have a diverse portfolio, but not too diverse, focused. I understand every stock I've invested in. I don't know about everything. I only know about what I've invested in. But I look at investing a little bit different than nearly anyone else who calls themselves a day trader. I'm an entertainer first and foremost, as you all know. This is my TV studio, and this is where I go live every day, do my concerts. But I've used my life savings to invest in the stock market to prepare for an independent financial future. And when I invest, I study what a company does. I don't look at the charts. I look at what the company does, and do I believe this is a company for the future? Do I believe this company is going to grow? Do I believe that the world is changing and this will be where the world goes to? And that's how I invest. And I get criticised from that from time to time, and that's fine. There are people far more intelligent than me with charts and study things, but that's not who I am. I am about a community, bringing this people together to support each other and to learn from each other, and not profess to be an expert, just be here for each other, and that's what we do. So anyway, on that note, I'll say it. I had a tweet this morning, several tweets. In fact, there was a bunch of high-profile traders, I believe, having a conversation about me on my Twitter channel. In fact, I didn't see it on my Twitter channel. I guess my name was tagged in it. And they were commenting away. And generally positive, actually. They were saying I seem a nice guy, seem a fun guy, honest and entertaining and professional, which was nice. But also saying that I have a lack of knowledge and don't know all the ins and outs, like I've just said, and these are high-profile traders. But I appreciate the comments. I've never been tweeted about before, so I didn't know how to reply. So I just said, thanks very much, and this is what I do. I'm an entertainer, and I'm just doing my thing, and it's about bringing a community together. And I want this channel to be different. There are thousands of people say they are experts, and at the end of the day, we've all seen experts go bankrupt, lose money. I mean, there's so many examples of experts who say you say one thing and then something else happens and everyone disagrees. I don't know anything about that. I'm just investing in my future in the best way possible. Alexander, good afternoon. You look new. Tell us where you're from, Alexander. Are you new to the channel? What country are you from? And I'm from Texas. Muzanella is here from the US. Atlas. Is it? No, it's not Germany. I think it's America. So many people come through every day and tell me. Alexander, what part of the world are you from? And if everyone else can introduce themselves. This is my live portfolio, my real money, my real shares. And we're watching all sorts today. We're looking at Bitcoin. We're looking at what has happened with Bitcoin. We're looking at the news of Bitcoin. I'll cover that in a minute. Malta, been here yesterday. It's Malta. That's right. I remember now. Malta, I've been to the Algarve. I performed there. I was on a cruise ship and got off and did a land gig as well in the Algarve. Very, very beautiful. Oh, that's Portugal. Sorry, Malta. That's somewhere different. Malta. No, I don't think I've been there. I'm trying to remember. I got a funny feeling I have. Sorry, I was confusing Algarve. That's Portugal. Malta. No, I can't think I've been anywhere in Malta. What's it like? Is it a beautiful place? And so this is my portfolio. Everyone said in September we would have corrections and dips, and it certainly seems the case. I did have some money on the side, and I have bought the dips. I bought some more Amazon when it dipped. Not a great deal, but a bit. I bought some more Johnson & Johnson when it dipped. And I think that's the right thing to do, right? I bought some more Tesla when it dipped. Facebook, same thing. All these great top stocks. These are my 10 never sell stocks, if you like. And as it happens, they have bounced up this morning, which is good to see. Let me have a look on the day. This is my portfolio. Let's go live. It's down on the last hour. And today it's up slightly, but just down on the last hour. So there we go. That's what's happening right now. I've sent you a YouTube link and name to many exchanges and stock people, all well done via Twitter. Thank you very much, Bill. I'll look at that. I'm getting more and more emails and texts and stuff every day. It's getting harder to respond. I do read everything. I don't always get the chance to respond to everything. Your thoughts on GGPI. Okay, let's have a look. GGPI. Let's have a look. Gores Guggenheim. Let's have a look at it. Right. Let's see. We got Muzanella is asking my thoughts on. Oh, hello. It's just a brand new one. It's May 2001. It IPO'd. Founded in 2020. That's interesting. Straight off the bat, the company was created in 2020, and in 2021 it went public straight away. That's unusual. So it didn't have any track record, it didn't have any history. It just formed itself, and then it went public straight away. Well, pretty much straight away, within a year. And look at this, a huge pop when it did, as you can see. What percentage was that? That jumped up 6%. Let's have a look at it today. It's down today, over the week. Let's see that. So look at that big pop there. May 17th. Why is it showing 0%? Why is it? It's up 9. That can't be right, can it? It's up 9. That's strange. What does it mean? I've not seen that before. $10. What was it down here? Opened at 10. It's let's have a look. Trading sideways here for quite a while. Gores Guggenheim is a blank check company. Its purpose of effecting a merger, capital stock exchange, asset acquisition, stock purchases, reorganization, or similar businesses combined with one or more businesses. I had a bit of a play with something like this, merger news a couple of days ago. It's not something I'm really familiar with, to be honest. It's new to me today. I made an investment with another company similar to this that was investing in flying taxis in New York, I think it was. I think it was something to do with Virgin. And I did some more research on it. Kenneth Brunk, our technical analysis guy, who reads charts like he reads a comic. He reads them all over the place. I learned a lot from him about it and decided this kind of investment isn't for me. So that's my honest opinion. I don't have an opinion on it, to be honest. I don't have an opinion. Thank you for asking me. I appreciate it. But I don't have an opinion on it. I don't know anything about it. But what I'm going to do is add it to my list and research it after the show. and try to find some more about it, and then let's see how I feel tomorrow when I come back and look at it. The Polestar merger. Oh, okay. Thank you very much. Polestar's interesting. We talked about that before. It is a SPAC, SPAC. Indeed, it is. How are we all today? Peter Brazier. We're all very, very well. We've got some new friends. First time yesterday. Alexander joined us yesterday for the very first time from Malta. And we've got some of our regulars here. Sam Hughes is a Elton John tribute from England. He is here this morning. Johnson & Johnson moving very well now. Tesla's up 0.44, just dropping back. We've got 14 minutes before the bell goes. I still think most of my stocks aren't going to do a great deal for another couple of weeks. But someone here this morning says, where was it? They think all of this is a good idea. Let me have a look. Where is it? I found a news story this morning which thinks all of this correcting stuff, oh, here we go, it's a good thing. Let's have a listen to this.
NASDAQ and the S&P are both on pace for their worst month since September of 2020. This year, you see teeter-tottering between positive and negative for the Dow and the NASDAQ. You call this a good slump. I think you'd have to explain it. A lot of people yesterday aren't going to...
I'm going to say that right now. I mean, a lot of people get stressed by all of this. I've been reading the stress that people have and they feel they've lost money. You know, the fundamental purpose of investing is you're investing with money you don't need. Not that you can afford to lose. I never use that phrase. I hate that phrase. Never lose money. Don't need now. I've got no mortgage, no car loan, and I've got 6 months of bills already paid, already ahead at 6 months all the time. So in 6 months' time, I might need some of this money, but right now I don't, and for 6 months I don't. So I've invested in companies where I get, like I say, if I slept for 6 months or a month, would all this be down? And no, it wouldn't. It'd be up. We're in a correction month. Things dip and dip. You can't make money without dips. I get it. So I see the market going up as a positive, and I see the market going down as a positive. I buy when it's down, and when it's up, I sometimes take some profits off the top to then find other opportunities. But trading is always an opportunity. Up and down is all good. I've got an army now of TikTokers over there. 90% of my TikTokers are just scrolling through looking for naked ladies, and that's not me or whatever. But if you are one of the 10% that would like to be part of a real trading show and talking to some great traders, we have some amazing people in my chat. We're a community. We're quite unique on YouTube that we are a community that supports each other in an open, honest way. If you are one of the 10% that really want to discuss and learn from each other and see my trading screens, you can't see nothing on TikTok, just on my phone, click the profile link right here, click my icon again, and then right behind there is the YouTube link. If you're the 90%, carry on scrolling. I'm not for you, but the 10% that want to meet my team and see my trades, click the profile, click the icon, and then come in, and I will answer all your questions, and my team will answer all your questions as well. Let's carry on reading why this guy thinks this correction is good.
Call it a good sell-off. Why do you say this is all a good slump?
Well, first of all, we hadn't had a correction in a while. The market had been not very volatile, considering all the pressures we have in the world and people expecting downside. So September's coming up, and people are thinking, hey, September regularly is the only month that normally loses money in the market. So there has been selling pressure all month, and actually I'm kind of surprised it hasn't been more.
Always surprises me when people say they lose money. You don't lose money unless you sell when you're down. Remember, most of these traders, these professional traders, hedge funders, people that you employ to make you money, okay, these people, they have targets every day. They want to make so much money every day. And if they can't make that money and they move here and they move there, they're taking great risks, they're moving things around, they can lose money, right? Whereas if you just ride the wave and buy the dips and sit back and you're not greedy, I don't have any expectation, I don't have any demand from the market. I let the market grow over time. And at the end of the day, proof is in the pudding. My portfolio is up. It continues to grow overall, and I'm happy with that. All I want to do is have a relaxed, peaceful life with a wonderful community here and have money to live on in a few years' time that will pay me dividends and pay my bills with all the security I need. And that's what my portfolio delivers.
So if we can get through September with whatever the loss is, 2-3%, 4%, whatever it is, but keep it under 5%, then I think there's a really good chance to get through October, November, and December, and remain, a nice positive for the year.
Yeah, positive. I reckon by the end of the year, 10, even some people are saying 20% up. So this is a dip right now, but it's going to come back. So buy all your dips. Lucid up or down today after the news about 13,000 plush cars ordered already. I know. Look at this. I've got Lucid. Here is my Lucid. Oh, up 7% this morning. Yeah, I've got Lucid. I've got 86 shares in it. I'm up. That's the first time I'm up. I'm up nearly 1% now. Look at that. That's great. Lucid is the first electric car, that's 500-mile range. Beautiful cars. It's not a Tesla killer. It's an alternative. Remember, not everybody wants an iPhone. Some want an Android. This is a great market. This could be a new Tesla. So it's much smaller. Of course it is. But look at that. I've got a nice investment in that, 86 shares. And this is going to do well. This is going to do very well. This is a long-term play. I'm up at $21 on that now. I'm up 1%. It's got a long way to go, this one. A lot of opportunity. I'm very excited by that. Muzanella, thank you for sharing that. Let me put his comment on the screen. Lucid, up or down today after the news about 13,000 plush cars ordered already. Up. Look at it. There is my position there, right there. And I'm going to keep that there. I might even add to the position. We shall see. In fact, no, I won't add to the position because that's currently 5% of my portfolio if you look at it. And if that grows, that could easily become 10%. And that's enough because I want Tesla to be another sort of 10%. So that's as big as I need to get. So I'm in the money. I'm just going to let that sit there, do its thing, probably not even invest anything else. That's probably as much as I need to be. Don't need to get greedy. That's great. Let's carry on hearing what this guy was saying about the correction. I agree. Just sit back and relax, guys.
So, Dory, some people, they call the S&P.
Can I just say, if everyone's watching the show, could you smash the like button? Can you see we've got 14 likes, and this is CNBC with 1 million subscribers, and only 16 people have liked their video. If we can get 2 more likes, we will have as many likes as CNBC has got with 1.75 million subscribers. Just want to say, everybody, this is how loyal and wonderful our community are. Look, I mean, we have 14 likes to our show, and CNBC has 16, and it has 1.7 million subscribers. I'm just saying, we're growing like about 20 subscribers a day. People seem to like this channel because it's honest, open, humility of it all, and real. And at the end of the day, we're making money and we're taking care of each other. Simple as.
The broader market, I know some people like my colleague Mike Santoli, they've stopped calling it that because it's so tech heavy, tech about 40% of the S&P. So we've seen the S&P up about 1.3% this month. But again, tech is such a big part of it. And bond yields, they've risen pretty dramatically this month. At the start of September, the 10-year was at 1.3, up about 20 basis points since then. Why are we seeing such great performance from the S&P?
Right, we're getting close now to the bell. We've got just 5 minutes to go. So let's check our positions. Amazon is up 0.33. Johnson & Johnson up 0.49. We've got 14 likes now. Everybody, if you've just joined me on the replay, click subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. We're a live community here on YouTube. If you're over there on TikTok, I see a lot of people still on TikTok. If you want to be part of the main show and talk to some great traders, we've got some wonderful, very experienced traders in our live chat. You can ask all the questions you're asking me on TikTok to all of them, and they will answer it. And also, you can see my trading screens. You can actually see my real money, my real bank account, and what I really have, all on YouTube. You click the profile right here. You click my icon again, and you'll find the YouTube link right behind that. 3 seconds, 3 clicks, you'll be with me here on YouTube. Much better experience. If the 90% of you looking for naked ladies, keep scrolling. The 10% of you, are you serious traders and want to talk to serious people? Profile, icon, YouTube link. You'll be here in 3 clicks. Okay. Facebook is up 0.75. This is good. Apple up 0.49. Coke up 0.38. All my stocks are returning. This is great. All my staples that I bought yesterday in the dips are all returning. You can't go wrong with these shares. Disney up 0.05. Google is up 0.6. Microsoft up 0.58. McDonald's up 0.09. Walmart up 0.39. Virgin Galactic up 0.9. Rolls-Royce down. We heard there's a devaluation. That's fine. I'm still up 43%. I guess they devalued because they want money to put into the business. That can be good. I don't like it when they devalue to give themselves bonuses, as one IPO did earlier this year. Couldn't believe that they announced that we're selling shares, we're going public to give ourselves bonuses, and then they wonder why the shares tanked. I was so shocked by that. Obviously, I didn't invest in it. Robinhood is down very slightly. Lucid is up nearly 8%. Oh, great. 86 shares of Lucid. Wonderful. That's great. Harpoon Therapeutics up 1.82. That's good. That's a nice bounce as well. I'm 23% down now with that one. That's seen a real uptake in the last few days. That the company got uprated. So it's now a strong buy. Look at that, 80% buy now. So that's doing well. That's a long-term play though, that one. Pfizer up 0.42. Carnival up nearly 1%. We've got 2 minutes to go for the bell. It should be very interesting. Argo blockchain. This is the one that I get a lot of criticism for. I'm not invested in it other than one share. It's not something I particularly think is a great investment. The company is great. What it does is great. I invest in Bitcoin. Love that. Do I think it's a great investment for an investor? No, not right now. I don't. But there you go. You might disagree with me, and a lot of people on Twitter do. A lot of people on the show do. 15 likes. There we go. Look at that, guys. Fantastic. 1.5 minutes to go. Martin Redding, Patricia. Welcome, everybody. Our ladies from Italy. We got 1 minute to go, and we're flying at the minute with Lucid. Everybody, we got some new people coming into the chat. We got people now watching us on Twitter and TikTok and all over the place. And it's because of those tweets I had last night. I had my first tweets about me and my show, or would I say our show. I was quite honoured by it. They were genuinely saying nice things about me, but they were saying the guy doesn't have a great deal of knowledge, and that's fine. I don't profess to be an expert. I'm absolutely not an expert in anything. I'm just investing my money, and I'm doing my thing. And learning from all of you. But what we are is a community together, and no one professes to be an expert, because I don't honestly think anyone is. Hi from Northern Ireland, Jeff Walker. Wonderful to have you, Jeff. Where have you come from? Did you find me on YouTube or another platform? Where have you popped across from? Right, 15 seconds. Here we go. Let's watch what happens. Lucid is up nearly 8%. 10 seconds to go. Jeff, introduce yourself to the team. We can always learn from each other. Yes, we can. Always. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. The bell's gone. All right, a bit of a... There we go. What's happening with Lucid? Up 7.7%. One of this, the first electric car to do 500 miles. The cars are coming out now. People are buying in. This could be the new Tesla. Much, much smaller, but it provides a very, very slick, plush car. Very expensive, by the way. It's not for everybody. Embarrassingly, TikTok, do not be. 90% of my TikTokers are looking for naked dancers and God knows what else, and like to laugh at my bald head and say silly things. But 10% come to YouTube to meet my team. We have a wonderful family here. Love to welcome you in, Jeff. Could everyone say hello to Jeff? We're a new channel, 9 weeks old. We've gone from 0 subscribers to 1,500. We have a very loyal family who follow me live every weekday for the opening and closing bell. And then we have a live concert afterwards. I was voted World Piano Man. I've toured 195 countries as a singer and entertainer. And that's what we do. That's our day. That's how we live. But welcome, Jeff. It's wonderful to have you here. Ask any question from my team. Got some great traders here. And Bill is from Canada. Everybody put city and country you're from. I want Jeff to feel welcome. And let's learn from him. We don't know who he is. Everyone has a story. Everyone is valuable. And we may learn a lot from Jeff. And Jeff may be a very valuable member of our community. Who knows what happens? There we go. Let's have a look at the overall portfolio. Now moving up. There we go. It's down in the last hour. But today we are up 0.3. Welcome from Italy. Alicia and Patricia are our ladies from Italy. There we go. Let's watch it live. Let's see what's happening. Amazon is up but just dropping back. Johnson & Johnson's now moving up. Tesla is just moving back. Facebook is now moving up. Apple's moving up. Is the correction done and dusted? Was it all over? I wouldn't say so. It normally lasts a couple of weeks. Disney's dropping back. Google is moving up. Microsoft. These aren't just unrelated tickers. These are my actual positions, my actual money. Okay? If this goes down, this is my real money. This is my real life savings. This is overall. I'm up 4.38%. Okay, overall. I was at 13% in August, but September has been a correction month. I've been buying the dips, making my position stronger, and that's great. Did you know Hannah spelt backwards is Hannah? That's the sort of stuff we get on TikTok. Did you? Well, I didn't. Hello from Sweden, Gothenburg. Welcome. Welcome. I've got family in Sweden. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're one of the 10% of TikTokers that want to actually discuss with real traders and see my live bank account, see my live positions, and ask any question to some very successful traders and be part of this unique community on YouTube, click the profile, click the icon again, and you'll find the YouTube link behind there, the YouTube icon. Come and join us and be part of this community and grow your wealth together. We want nothing from you other than your company, and we'll never sell you anything or anything like that. We're here to support you and learn from all of you. Jeff, here to gain a bit of insight from others. Crypto trader new to the game. This is my position in Bitcoin. Jeff, this is my position. I've got what was $10,000 worth of Bitcoin. It's dropped back to nearly 8,000. And the reason why it's dropped back, in case you're wondering, the wonderful thing about Bitcoin and why I'm invested in it, it's all written down on the blockchain. We know who buys in, we know who buys out. And when El Salvador was the first country to adopt it, some of the whales sold out. The whales are the guys with millions of investment in Bitcoin. Some of them sold out, the price dropped, and then you could see that I think it was something like 90% over the last few weeks was sold. People that got fearful, who didn't understand why they invested in the first place, sold, and we know who they are because we could see the wallets were created in the last week of that time period. So we know they're all new investors, which brought the market down, and that's now got all kinds of sell-offs in the market. People are fearful. China, of course, big thing. But if you understand Bitcoin, and if you came into it in the first place with a good reason, then you're not fearful. In fact, I couldn't care less. It doesn't bother me in the slightest. And if you look at it, I'm up 25%. I've made $1,500. I'm not bothered. I'm not fearful. My money is just sitting there. And I know, without any shadow of a doubt, that this will be 100,000 by the end of the year. That's how I believe and what I feel. Because that's why I invested in the first place. So I'm always bullish on all my stocks, all my investments, and Bitcoin. Because that's why I invested it in the first place. There we go. Let's go back to the day, and we're up today now, 0.14. There we go. James McManus missed the bell. Nice to see a bit more green today. Another new long-distance electric car, Polestar. We've heard about that one. I'll share that link in a second, Bill. Thank you very much. Jeff Walker is new today. Jeff Walker is from Northern Ireland. I think that's what he said. I might just check that back. Did he say that? Welcome, Jeff. I think he said Ireland. Am I imagining that? I can't see it in the chat now. That's really weird. I can't see it in the chat. Oh yes, there it is. Hi from Northern Ireland. Yes, Jeff is from Northern Ireland. Welcome our new member to the team. 18 likes now. If it's your first time here, please subscribe and ring the bell. But give us a thumbs up. The thumbs up helps the channel grow, so we get more people to learn about our channel and be part of it. We want a community that shares with us in the live chat. Give us a thumbs up. We've now got 18 likes. Subscribe and ring the bell. Kenneth Brunk is here. It seems that you get better viewing stats when I don't scare them off from the start of the show. Here's Kenneth Brunk. Kenneth Brunk, I would like your opinion on something. Muzanella asked me a question this morning, and he asked me about GGPI. GGPI. I had a look at it very briefly. I've added it to my things to do, but he wanted an opinion on this, and they're up to date, by the way. Gores Guggenheim. It's a new one. What's your opinion on that? Let's get our technical analysis guy, Kenneth Brunk, on the case. JJAS new challenge. Hello everyone, my name is Jason from Germany. Jason, welcome. We've got a new member here, Jason from Germany. Lovely to have you here. Thank you very, very much indeed. Smash the like button. And I asked for that because we want YouTube to promote the video so we get more people in the chat and we learn from each other. You have found the most honest, open, transparent, humble financial channel on YouTube. We're a family. We support each other. We grow our wealth. This is my personal portfolio. This is my real money. I'm not like BitBoy and Cryptos Are Us George and Graham Stepan who tell you what's going on but don't actually show their real actual money in their actual bank account. A lot of people, in fact, we saw some news yesterday that someone is now in trouble with the law for influencing people online and taking advantage, using social media to grow their portfolio, to influence the market, get everyone to do a certain thing. And I will make this public promise right now. This is all on YouTube. This is all on like 20 platforms live right now. It's all recorded, so everything I say now can be brought back to haunt me in the future. And you will hear me say live right now that I will never use my channel to influence anyone. I'm an entertainer. This is my real money. What you do is your choice. And at the end of the day, right, there's no such thing as an expert. No one can predict what's going to happen. You just believe what you believe in. You may be very knowledgeable about charts. You may be very knowledgeable about money. But I don't believe anyone is an expert in anything. No one knows what's going to happen. And some of the greatest experts make mistakes all the time. So open mind, Always willing to learn. That's what we're about here. We don't profess to be an expert in anything, but you know, my reward is having you all here and being the person that brings a community together to share and be open and honest with each other and grow our wealth for the future, because we learn from each other, right? I don't need to become a millionaire or anything. I've got what I need. I just want to earn $1,000 a month from my portfolio, which is all I need to live on in the future. And that's fine. That's all I want to do. And that's what I'm doing. I'm growing my portfolio to give me that return a month, whether it's be dividends or selling off portions of my portfolio or whatever. That's what I'm looking to do. Lucid now. This is my position. I'm up nearly 3% now. We're up 8, 9. Look at Lucid today on fire. I will share with you something that will help you gain more Bitcoin. I test it and it really works. Gain more. What do you mean gain more Bitcoin? What do you mean by that? I did like it. I subbed it. I like it. I like your lives. Well, thank you very much indeed for your support. I'm up 8%. Oh, they are merging with Polestar EV car. Lucid is merging with Polestar, is it? You're up 8.8% on Lucid. Fantastic. Well, the company is supposed to go through a merger, but there is some sort of legal contestation about that regarding some financial reporting. Some people are waiting for the merger before buying. I'm getting a lot of stuff now coming through the chat. It's hard to keep up with all of it. But thank you very much for all your comments. Look at Lucid this morning. Absolutely great. Love this. This is what Kenneth and Musanello are talking about, this merger here. If you're interested, this is the stock here. This is it here. The ticker is GGPI if you're interested in this. And Musanello and Kenneth are having a conversation now in the chat. If you want to ask them, you can. All right. Amazon is up 0.2 today. This is great. My portfolio now is down very slightly on the hour, but the day we're up 0.13. Okay, because of course Bitcoin is trading sideways now. We're consolidating. It looks a little bit. We're approaching the 42 again. SPCE, that's where a lot of my losses are coming from. 20% down today. This is the lowest I've been. So if you have money on the side, maybe now is a good opportunity to buy in Virgin. We're up 20%. Mick is up 20%, are you? Let me just quickly talk to my TikTokers. We've got quite an army over there on TikTok and Facebook and many other places as well. Come over and join me on YouTube. Thank you very much. Cheeky sent me a rose. Chicky too. Thank you very much indeed. If you're one of the 90% on TikTok that are looking for naked ladies, keep scrolling. I'm not that guy, right? I've got a bald head, but that's about it. If you want to talk to serious traders, you want to see my real money, you want to see what I'm actually trading, you want to be part of a live community, a very unique family on YouTube, sharing openly and honestly their trades, not influencing anything, and you can see my actual position, my actual trades. Click the profile right here, then click it again, you will see my icon, and then you will find the YouTube link. Be part of the community, jump on over. If you're 90%, carry on scrolling through, but if you're the 10% that want to talk to a real bunch of traders and be part of what we're doing live right now, you can't see anything on TikTok, click the profile, 1 link, click the icon again, 2, and then click the YouTube link, 3. 3 seconds, 3 clicks, you'll be part of a great family and community. Right, back to my serious traders here on YouTube. Right, let's go back to it. Wow, 10.62 on Lucid. This is crazy. Let's have a look. Lucid. Wow, look at Lucid now. 11%. Is John... we need John Brunette in here. John Brunette is a big Lucid investor. Me and James are having a great day. Let's look at the 5-year. That's too much. Let's go back at for over a year. It IPO'd January 21. We had this big pop, like we often do with an IPO, and then big sell-offs, as we often do with an IPO. Then it's been up and down, news coming out, bit up, bit down, and now we're picking up big time because the cars are coming out. It's the first 500-mile range car. Amazing car, beautiful car, and today we are now up 11%. Oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Up 17%. Musinella, are you up 17%? Lucid over 27. Lucid over 27. What do you, I'm not quite sure what you mean, Musinella. You're up. Are you up 17? Oh, Lucid. Oh, Lucid options. Right. Great. You're up 17%. That makes my 4.5 seem measly, right? I recently bought back in. I made some money before. My friend's got a Tesla yesterday. To congratulate him, I bought the dip. Lovely, fantastic. They are now fully self-drivable cars, right? Yes, I can't believe it. It's well, you should believe it. You should never say, I can't believe it. You should believe it, because why did you invest in it in the first place? I'm not having a go. I'm just saying, if you invest in something, it's because you believe in it. Remember, this is not a casino, guys. This is not a get-rich scheme. This is investing. You're investing in something because you believe it's going to do well. That's why you put your money into it. So why should you be surprised when it goes up? It's like saying, I believe in, I invested in it, but because I thought it was going to go down. No. I invested in it because I believe it's going to go up. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe in a year, but I believe this company is going to grow. So let's take that off the table, guys. No one say they can't believe it. Use one of my phrases. You're thrilled to bits. Spot on. It was too fast. Yeah, it was very quick. I'll give you that. Yeah. Kenneth is sharing a link for us all. Let me have a look what he's sharing. Let me have a look. Finance King. What's this? What is this? What is he sharing with me? Let me have a look at it. Oh, this is interesting. Right. You're going to like this. Here we go. Let me bring this in. Let me bring this into the show. Kenneth Brunk, we can always rely on Kenneth. Cyclops Ken, we call him. Cyclops Ken, you ready? Ready for some entertainment? Buy the dip. I already bought. Then buy it again. It keeps dipping. Buy some more. I'm out of money. Isn't that the truth? Isn't that the truth? Keep money on the side, and this is what happens. Buy the dip. I already bought. Then buy it again. It keeps dipping. Buy some more. I'm out of money. That happens to me all the time. Kenneth Brunk, you're a legend, sir. Thank you very much indeed for sharing that with us. That was fun. That was fun. Where's my little thing? There we go. I'm gonna make. Let me make that smaller. I am gonna make. I wonder if I can make that smaller. I am gonna make a short on that. Look, I'm gonna make a short for one of my shows later. All right, you ready? This is gonna be I'm making a live video right now. That'd be all right. Okay, so ready? Buy the dip. I already bought it. Then buy some more. It keeps dipping. Buy some more then. I'm out of money. Does that happen to you? Of course it does. There you go. I just made a live. That's for later. That'll be one of my shorts on YouTube. All right. Thank you very much for that. Now it says I'm down from yesterday's email. Bill, what's going on with you? I'm not understanding your emails. Your emails about your position. Let me get myself in the right place. There we go. That's better. Yeah. This up and down stuff. I've no idea what's going on. I mean, I'm not. not your brokerage or the emails that you get are either out of date or it's very confusing. Because yesterday when you said you were up 15% or whatever it was, I was like, you can't be. Virgin has dropped down and all the rest of it. But don't really understand what's going on. I wish I could be there and have a look and help you, but I don't really understand. But I'm sorry. Right now, Lucid, everybody, look, 12.2%. If anyone could help Bill out, he's using a brokerage that's in Canada that produces some very confusing thing. The broker says one thing and it still says the sell order pending. Yeah, Bill, what brokerage are you using? And let's see if somebody in the chat can help you with that. It's difficult for me when I'm doing the show to provide, you know, one-on-one stuff, but I'd like to be able to help you. And I tell you what to do, Bill. Tell you what to do. This is where the conversation after the show goes on. Post your information to my Twitter channel, the Day Trader Twitter channel. Let me give it here, and everybody else can jump in and answer the question. Here's the link. I've got to post my portfolio for you today as well. I plan on doing it today. I'm sorry it's taking some time. But go into the Twitter channel. You might also like the Facebook page and group. Let me give that. If everybody else would subscribe and follow and tweet and God knows what else, do all the rest of this stuff here. This is my Facebook page, group, and Twitter. Then, Bill, there we go. Wealth Simple. Bill, go and comment that on the page, the group, but mostly the Twitter. The Twitter is the most useful. All right? Go into that Twitter feed there. And if my other traders want to help Bill, he's a great guy, very supportive to the channel. He's tipped me loads of times on my music show. He's a war veteran. He deserves our help, all right? So go into the Twitter feed and help him out. He's a great bloke, all right? And I'll be checking later on my Twitter feed, see if anybody's done it. All right, look at Lucid today. Can anybody believe it? I can't say that. Don't say you can't believe it. You invested in it for a reason. Is Bitcoin good to invest on TikTok? Yes, it is. I've got my own position in it. I've got nearly $8,000 invested in it. There is a prober, my Reddit channel concerning that. What, as a prober, I know. If you're over on TikTok, we got an army forming again on TikTok. Don't be on TikTok. 90% of TikTokers are scrolling through looking for naked dancers. If you actually want to be part of my actual trading and see my trades and talk to traders and see my real money, be part of it, the whole thing, just click the icon here, click my icon again, and then you will see my YouTube link. 3 clicks. 3 seconds, you'll be part of my community, talking to traders, seeing my real trades, seeing my real money. You can't see none of that on TikTok. That's just my phone. All right, come and join me as part of the main channel. And if you're one of the 90%, carry on scrolling and laughing at things and saying silly stuff. If you want to talk to us and you're one of the 10%, click the profile, click the icon, click the YouTube link. 3 seconds, 3 clicks, you'll be part of a great community. Right, Lucid now is up 14%. Oh my God, look at this. I'm up. I bet I want to hear from Mark. I want to hear from James, and I want to hear from Muzanella. These guys are in with me in Lucid, but they came in at a much lower position. They are absolutely on fire this morning. They're so excited. Everyone smash the like button. Come on. The more likes we get, the more the money goes up. Martin Redding, can you believe it? Did you talk about this? Space Force, good news for us. Space Force, I'm up. James is up 13.39%. Right, let's get to 20 likes. Everyone smash the like button. Come over from TikTok. We're on fire here this morning. Love Lucy today. Should have put 20,000 in it. Yeah, yeah. You know, there you go. I bought a little more at the bottom and yesterday. This is wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Enjoying the ride. Enjoy. What do you do now? Do you sell? Do you take your profits? Remember, nothing wrong with taking profits. Because what goes up comes down. It's not a straight line all the way up and up and up. There'll be people about to sell out. Of course there will be. Harpoon is up 3.8% right now. Pretty good for today's market. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. This is making me happy because Harpoon was my lottery ticket, as you all remember. I bought in when it dipped. But guess what? Like that video, like the image that Kenneth shared with us a minute ago, it dipped and dipped and dipped and dipped and dipped. TikTokers, you're missing all the excitement. You can't see any of this stuff. If you wanted to see where we're making money this morning, see what's going on, talk to traders who are having a great, great day, finally, click the profile right here, 3 clicks. Click again, the icon behind it, my icon. And then the YouTube link, you'll be right here. And you'll be right here in YouTube. Come and be part of it. You're missing all of it. TikTok is for people scrolling for naked ladies. If you're the 10% on TikTok, who want to trade, learn, make money, talk to a great community, click the profile, click the icon, and click the YouTube link. 3 clicks, 3 seconds, you'll be part of it. Wow, look at this. Harpoon Therapeutics. Right, Muzanella is taking profits. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that at all. He could be doing the right thing. There he goes. Look at that. It's peaking. Perhaps he's taking some profits. What will happen now? Will it continue to rise? Me personally, I'm not going to do anything. I'm not going to do anything. Virgin trying to make a bit of a recovery today. What is everything I'm invested in up today? Oh yes, Virgin is having a pop as well. Let's look at Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce is up as well. This is, I'll buy it back. Yeah, I'll buy it back. Muzanella. How much money have you made, Muzanella? How much money have you made? Tell us. Tell us. Share with the group, honestly, openly. Oh, Amazon is up. Oh, my portfolio is up now, 0.73. We're now returning. This is a great day. I'm loving it. Loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Right, we love days like this. We're making money. $5,200. Come on, everybody. The drinks are on. I only dream of numbers like that. Muzanella. See, he does options. He does contracts. Far more complex than what I do. I'm an entertainer. That's what I do. But I'm growing a portfolio steadily and gradually. Not making lots of money. I'm just up slowly and steadily. This is me. It is me. Look, you know, I'm up nearly 5%. I've made a couple of grand in the last 5 months. Look, you know, whatever. Slowly going up. This is all going to bounce back in the next in the next month. Even Boeing is up 4%. Oh, that's good. I've got a position in Boeing as well. Shall I have a look at my Boeing position? But smarter guys than me. This is why everybody on TikTok needs to come into YouTube, because you're missing these guys. I've got some really great traders, wonderful people who know far more than me. I'm just the entertainer to bring everything together over 20 platforms: YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, multiple websites, live stream a cafe, sessions, volume, all over the place, to bring you the great traders that you are seeing in my chat. I'm making money. I'm never losing money. I'm growing, but I'm growing small, right? Steady. If you want to come in, click the profile, click the icon, click the YouTube link. 3 links, 3 seconds, you can see what's going on. Or 90% of you just keep scrolling. I'm not a naked girl. I've got a bald head, but we're here to make money and build a community. Wow. Muzanella up $5,200. Bloody hell. See, and he's he's taken profits, and now it's dipping. So that's what a lot of people will do, I'm sure. But you know, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. That's not how I trade. I have a different trading style. Sometimes I do. If I'd bought at the very bottom when I first bought in, I probably would have sold, because I would have made probably $500-600 there, and that would have been worth, and then catch the drop. Hey, Muzanella, it's amazing. How does it feel to make $5,200 on a trade? And now, I guess what you're doing now is you're going to sit and wait for it to drop down again. But it's hard to do that. It takes a lot of skill, a lot of knowledge, because what does he do? If he buys in now and it drops, he could lose his money. Whereas if you stay in at the lowest point, you're always going to be up over time. That's the way I look at it. But if you want to make money over money over money, you buy, you sell, you buy, you sell. That's not how I do business. When I try and do that, I lose out, because I'll make some money, then I'll sell, then I'll buy back in again, and then it will drop back even lower, and then I can't get out, and that's what happens to me. If that's what happens to you, you're in the right place. But clearly, it didn't happen with Muzanella, because he made 5,200. Always evaluate positions as if they were new. Absolutely. You brought in Lucid to us. You brought in Lucid to us after you did the research on a recommendation. You know what you're doing. I don't know what I'm doing. 26.34 is my next entry price. 26.30. Ask me about music. Ask me about producing studios and streaming and cameras and lights and building an audience and having fun and engaging with an audience. I know about that. I know about this, what you're seeing now. I know about this. This, I listen to you. I learned from you. You brought Lucid to me. I think it was John Brunette, wasn't it, who introduced me to Lucid, and I was like, no, I'm all in Tesla. I'm all in Tesla. And he said, Mark, you need to look at this. This is a great car. And then I learned about it, and then whatever. But, you know, I'm just whatever. Yeah, John. What did John say? I have 14 Lucid. See, look. This is where Muzanella did the right thing. Look, see. And the fact he has a specific number, he's like Kenneth, right? He looks at charts, he looks at trend lines, he sees support lines, all the stuff I've yet to learn about, right? And he goes, right, it's hit his peak, and bloody hell, he was spot on. Because the moment he sold, look, it dropped. And now he knows to buy in at 26.34. He's got a number. I don't trade like that. I'd be looking at it, feeling, okay, it's dropped enough. I'm only a trader. Don't copy me. Yeah, that's right. Don't copy anyone. Don't copy anyone. I only wish there was some way I could contact Dras. Everyone knows the story, the infamous story of Dras. NRXP. Dras came in and told us all about this, and it went down and down and down. We all bought in, and he put all his money on one stock, all of it. I think it was about $70,000, something in that region. It was a lot of money, and it just went down and down, and we've not heard from him again. It's a shame, because if he was trying to manipulate the market, as we do get people. We are getting now people coming to our channel who are trying to do that, by the way. I am getting people who have communicated with me who want to do all sorts of shady deals with me, and I'm not interested. I'll tell you right now, you will never see me set up some VIP internal club within our community to try and sell something. I've been approached by lots of people, several actually, to do that. It's not what I want to do. Everything you see me do will be here, open, honest, transparent. Muzanella, Kenneth, John, Martin, they're all making They're all making money. They're very much focused on making money. My focus is build a community. That's my focus, and make money alongside that. But my focus is build a community. So you can rely on me, folks. I'm not going to set up some internal little thing where we can all, on the side, I can be selling somebody something, some coins and stuff. That's not who I am. All right? I'm not doing that. Not clever enough for that. And also, I just don't. I ain't got the time. I'm focused on this. Right, Tesla. Look at this. Up 1.52. Brilliant day. What about SPCE? Drop back. What about Rolls-Royce? Up 1%. See, it bounced back despite that devaluation, which I was told about this morning. I can vouch for Martyn. It's not common, but he's the real deal. Thank you very much, mate. That's now on the public record. Hey, right now you're all here. Let me share something with you, right? Let me share something with you. How am I going to do this? You're bloody right. I'm just here to have fun and have a community. To wake up every morning and have more and more people subscribe and follow and be part of this. I'm honoured that you give me the time and you want to be on my show. It's our show, really. I said this yesterday to Leah, and I said, look, this isn't my show, and the success of this isn't me. The success is you. If you didn't watch it, this channel wouldn't have grown, would it? Right. People have followed me on Twitter, and there's all sorts of stuff going on. Hang on, where is it? How do I even do it? I don't know. How do I do this? Mentions. Is that where it is? I don't know how I do it. It's likes your tweet. I'm trying to find. I don't know how to do it. That's the honest truth. I don't know how to bring it up. Anyway, woke up this morning to a Twitter conversation about me. Some very successful traders, and they must have seen me on somewhere or whatever, and they were making comments about me. There's a whole conversation going on, backwards and forwards, and they were saying generally positive things. They were saying they like the show, like what I'm doing. It's very slick and professional. They love the whole thing. But they said he has a lack of knowledge on many things to do with trading. But overall, they were very supportive and liked it. They just disagreed with me on the Argo blockchain situation and all that stuff and lack of knowledge. And I replied to them this morning. I don't know how to share it. I was just trying to show you. I don't know how to share it, but I said I'm not the world's greatest trader. I'm new. I'm learning, but I appreciate your support and coming along and all the rest of it. So it was weird to get to be the center of a Twitter conversation this morning. People talking about it, but. What I'm doing here, as we go forward, this channel is going to get really big, I think, because the YouTube is full of experts, people manipulating, people telling everybody what to do, people thinking they know what they're doing, and all they want to do is make YouTube ads, money, sell your stuff, get you to sign up for training streams. All I want to do is have a community where we come together, right? So I think there's a place for this channel, and and I invited them in. We're gonna have some guests call into the show. I've already invited Kenneth. We discussed it briefly, but I'm going to have some great traders come into the show, talk on the show, maybe some celebrity traders, people that are very, very well known that are contacting me. They can share their knowledge with you. I'm going to bring it all together. I'm going to share everything with you, and let's hear from everyone. And let's learn together. I get shady deal offers many times a day on TikTok. Lucid going back up slowly. Let's have a look. Lucid going back up slowly. Did it drop down? Oh yeah, there it goes. 40. There we go. Now right. Now this is interesting. What did Muzanella do there? Carly Hacker. Welcome. You do lack a lot of knowledge, but you never present like you have the knowledge. That's genuine. That's good. Thanks, mate. Can you put that on my Twitter post? Yeah. I'm still. You do lack a lot. I don't know. It sort of sounds nice, but then it also slaps me across the face, doesn't it? You do lack a lot of knowledge, but you present like you've never. But you don't. But you never present like you have the knowledge. That's genuine. That's good. I don't do Twitter. No, I don't. I need to be on all these things, mate, don't I? So there you go. I'm still recovering from some bad times. One of these days, I'll have my system set up so I can share info. There we go. Now, what does Muzanella do right now? Right? Muzanella sold. He could have stayed in and kept on going, but he was waiting for it to drop. This is the different style of trading. Muzanella, on very much charts, numbers, is like Kenneth, right? But that doesn't take into account human beings. This is what I'm about. I'm a human being. Muzanella isn't a human being. He's a machine, right? I'm only kidding, right? I'm a human being, and remember, behind all the numbers and the charts are people. They're people that react with emotions. And that's what this is all about. As an entertainer, I spent my life reading an audience, reaching out to people and feeling what they want from the show. I've done 195 countries. I've had some experience, right? And sensing what the audience want and need. And human beings, at the end of the day, are behind everything, okay? Not dismissing the charts, but here it is. This is where it is. This is where it's difficult. If you're a trader and you make a decision on a number, and that's right, it's right for them, isn't it? They sell out, and then the price drops. They're looking to get back in and then continue to grow their money. So they're taking profits all the way up. All right? And I do that from time to time. And he's right. But if you look at this right now, the price didn't drop, so Muzanella didn't get back in again. Now, it may never go down there again. So this is where the skill and the knowledge that Muzanella needs, I don't have. He now has to look at it and go, all right, well, where do I get back in again? Well, what if it just keeps going up with a little dip, up with a little dip, up with a little dip, which they do. If you look at, say, Microsoft, for example, look at that. It's virtually a straight line. But yes, it does have dips. But every time it drops, it's up a little dip, but overall it's like that. So if you bought in down here and never sold ever again, never traded ever again, just left your money, you're going up. You've done great. If you buy and sell, you can do better, but you've got to time it very, very well, and it's very hard to do, and it takes a lot of skill. And I admire people like Muzanella who have the knowledge. Martyn does it. Kenneth does it. It's something I've done it a couple of times, but I've been lucky, right? But what could happen now, of course, is that could drop all of a sudden. Everyone sells to take profits. Muzanella catches that 26 he was talking about, buys in again, and off it goes again. He'll make more money. Whereas I'm only up 8%, let's see. I'm not making profits each time it does it. I'm just taking a long-term view of this at the moment, anyway. Musanella has the right idea. He does. Yeah, Musanella. I do that at times too. Depends on the time frame of the trade setting out. If over a week span you profit 1% per day and you're constantly pulling that, you're a good trader. Discipline helps. There is so many other stocks are volatile today for flipping. There is so many other stocks that are volatile today for flipping. There you go. So much going on. Let's look at the portfolio right now. So live, I am up in the last hour. Today, I'm up 0.79. There he goes. Right, let's get. I decided not to follow my rules and paid heavily for it. Discipline is key. Yes, I believe in that. Discipline is key. Fear of missing out is the worst thing. And it's like, let's have a look at Argo blockchain. This was a big conversation. A lot of people saying lots of stuff to me about this. Argo blockchain. Hang on a minute. Oh, there we go. A lot of discussion with this. This has been the center of the debate on Twitter. A lot of Argo investors have been having this conversation with me. Those guys I was telling you about. And they're right to say that I have a lack of knowledge when it comes to Argo, but my feelings and belief and understanding haven't changed. And if you look at it, so far, I am right. Even though I know nothing about the charts and the history that they are looking at, I am right so far on what Argo has actually done. And for those of you who missed it, I love Bitcoin. I love mining. Look, this is my Bitcoin position. I have Bitcoin. I love mining because it's where the Bitcoin comes from. My discussion on Argo blockchain is if I was on Shark Tank with Argo blockchain asking for $1 million, would everyone say to me, we're not investing in you because you do nothing that anyone else can do? And we discussed it yesterday and everyone said, well, yeah, but it's harder than you think. No, it isn't. You're limiting your... Elon Musk doesn't think things are impossible and too difficult. He'll do anything. And I believe the same thing. I believe anything is possible. And if you've got a bunch of technical guys, it's not hard to build a mining farm. And it's not difficult to know that the right thing to do is solar panels and wind and hydro to power it. So that's where your profits come from. Because the biggest expense is electricity, right? For mining. And anyone who's got more money than anyone else can build the biggest Bitcoin mining farm and so on. And these guys were telling me, oh, no, you don't understand. Argo's got this and Argo's got that and so on and so forth. Well, if you believe in charts, the charts don't lie. It popped because everyone's, fear of missing out. Oh, this is great. This is a Bitcoin mining farm. Let's buy it. It's brilliant. Up it went, dropped back, and now it's been dropping ever since. And now it's just trading sideways. It's pretty much down now where it IPO'd. Is it a good investment? It's a great business. It's a great thing they're doing. They do it really, really well. But at the end of the day, is it a good investment for me? I'm not saying it's not a good investment, but is my $1,000 that I've got to spend better used somewhere else? Well, the answer is yes. If I put my $1,000, in fact, if I'd put my $2,000 on Argo when everyone was telling me to, I would now be down. Not only would I have lost money, my $2,000 would not be in Lucid where I decided to put them. It's not about, is it a good investment? It's about, is it the right investment for me at this time compared to something else? That's it. Well, obviously, the right thing to do was put $2,000 into Lucid as opposed to Argo at that time. Ignorance is the second. Fear, greed is our first enemy. Yeah, I agree. But fear is regulated by ignorance. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely, absolutely. Hey guys, just as long as you make enough money to pay the bills, who cares? Honestly, right? Who cares? Who cares? I mean, the most valuable thing today we have is we're alive, we're talking to each other, and having a great time. That's it. That's all That's all life is, right? And I got a cup of tea as well. That's important. Seriously, I'm a millionaire sitting here talking to you guys. Really, right? I've worked like 36 years in entertainment, and I paid my mortgage off. When I got on the ships, when I cruised around the world, everybody else was spending all their tips. Every day, everyone was spending their tips on drinks, girls, yeah. Some were doing that at the ports, all sorts, drugs, you name it, all sorts. Every single day we got off at the port, I'd put all my tips, 100%, in a Bank of America ATM. Every day I would put my money in the ATM, and everybody else, why don't you spend some of your money? Come out with us. I did it year after year after year, and I paid my mortgage off 10 years earlier from all that money, and because I knew I wanted to invest, and I knew I wanted to save, and I knew I wanted a future where I didn't have to worry about it. And it's not, being rich is not about how much money you earn. It's about how much money you don't spend. I believe in foundations before the roof, and I keep doing stuff which makes my life more efficient, less expensive. So I bought a little basic house, never moved, tiny little house, basic starter home in England, not a big castle, basic house, and stayed there, and paid everything off, put solar panels on the roof so it runs itself, so it's free, which it is now, and live as cheaply as possible, and then started investing. So, now I don't need that much. I don't have any bills, really, minimum. So $1,000 a month, I feel a rich man. So that's all I want to do. I agree. What we got here? If all else fails, I have veterans. 3,860 a month, not including benefits. Bloody hell, Bill! Look at Bill. Look, he's loaded. He's got $4,000 a month coming in. That's $1,000 a month. I currently earn, so everybody knows, I earn what I get from these shows. This is my entire income. I am now around about $30 a week. $40 a week. This channel isn't monetized yet. That might earn me $1 a show at this rate. When I start, maybe $1 a show once it starts getting monetized. So that's like what? $10 a week. That could earn me 2 shows a day, 5 shows a day. But right now I'm earning about 40, maybe $50 a week on all of this stuff, and got to keep it growing, right? Get a bigger audience. We've got 20 likes right now. Smash the like button. I got something here from the Nasdaq from Kenneth Brunk. Let me bring it up. So what's he got to share with us? What's he got to share? Here we go. Key to success. Key to successful building portfolio, industrial scale crypto mining farms. To be competitive in crypto mining these days, you need to go big or go home. Exactly what I was saying. It's all about hash rate. If you've got more money than anyone, if Elon Musk tomorrow decided to build a crypto mining farm, he would beat everyone. He's got the technology, he's got the money, he's got the solar panels, he's got the wind turbines, easy. It is an industry where speed and power really do determine who makes money and who doesn't. Exactly what I'm saying. And those wishing to remain competitive must have a bigger, better, faster mindset, or risk being left in the dust. That's it. When Bitcoin was first launched, anyone with a home computer could mine coins and contend against other hobbyists. But as more miners get on board, competition increased and miners needed hardware that was going to work faster in order to have a chance to solve the algorithm first. It's exactly what I just said. Rig setup expanded into spare rooms and basements until space and price made mining untenable. It was either figure out a way to scale or give up the hobby. That's absolutely right. I agree with that totally. Thank you very much for sharing that with us, Kenneth. Much, much appreciated. Great bit of insight there. Here's a better link. Is a better one? You got another one? Oh, no, hang on. Yeah, I've just shared that one. Yeah, good. Bill just said, most of mine, the wife looks after. She's an accountant. I went from one bedroom when we met to a 1.2 million home in the town enclave of Summerhill, South Newmarket, Ontario. Wow, look at you. Congratulations, mate. Well, I haven't gone to a 1.2 million home. I've got the same house I've had for years. It's a little tiny cottage in England. It's cozy, it's home. And I'm sure I could have bought and sold and flipped and diddly-do, whatever, but I couldn't be bothered. Let's have a cup of tea. Chat with me mates down the pub. Right, I want to invite my army of TikTokers over there. 90% of TikTokers scrolling through looking for naked ladies. Be part of my real community. Be part of the team. Talk to my team here on YouTube. That's where you need to be. Everywhere else is a waste of time. Or if you're watching me on Facebook, anywhere else, this is where you need to be. It's very easy. It takes 3 seconds, 3 clicks. Click number 1, click the icon right here. Click number 2, click the icon that's right behind it. Click number 3, the YouTube link. Come in and be part of my community. Jay Vlogs is here. Oh, that's a cool image. Look at that. Jay Vlogs, the devil in disguise. Hey, look at this. I like your music more. Thank you very much. Jay Vlogs. Jay likes my music. He's one of my fans for my music channel. Well, thank you very much indeed. We'll be live again this afternoon. If anyone's interested, you're on the Day Trader right now. Here you are. Scroll down to the Martyn Lucas channel. Wow, we're gaining like about 20 subscribers a day now to both channels. It's amazing, right? Then you scroll down, upcoming live streams. It's like a TV guide. I'm live here every weekday for a live show. We get drunk, we have a few beers, we celebrate the day, how much money we've made or not lost. We don't lose money, we're just down in value. And we have a laugh and have some fun. Come and join us. If you want to make a request, go below any of my videos on YouTube, leave a request, and I'll play it in tonight's show. All right, fan-flipping-tastic. Great. Jay is here. He's one of my fans from the music channel. All right. Should I just drop that link in there? I probably should, right? So let's go to the Martyn Lucas channel. There we go. Let's put today's show in. If I give everyone the link for today's show. Here we go. If anybody watching in the live chat wants to be part of it, leave a comment below. And any of the videos on YouTube. There's the chat for you. All right. This is the part of the show where I like to give any of my fans, friends, family members here a treat. Does anybody know anyone who has a birthday in the last few days or in the next few days, themselves or anyone they know that would like a little birthday gift from me? If you do, tell me now in the live chat and I will do your happy birthday live on the show right now. Drop a like and subscribe on here. Thank you, Jay. Thank you ever so much. There you go. Yes, subscribe and ring the bell, everybody. And give us a thumbs up as well. There you go. We've now got 21 likes. That's brilliant. We used to average 15 likes. We now average 20 likes. So we're doing well. We're climbing. If you want to be part of what we're doing here, and you want to get more involved, here is the Twitter feed to the day trader. Okay, you can leave questions there. If you're interested in getting more information from Kenneth and all the team, Kenneth posts some great content onto the Facebook page and group. There is the page and there is the group. The group is more for interaction, and the page is more for, think of it as a website. If everything in my studio looks exciting to you and you want a link to the equipment I have or anything else on Amazon, there is my Amazon shop. And if you like the way I broadcast, this is what I use. I use Ecamm Live. These are my referral links. If you use them, you get a discount on these platforms, and I get a small commission from them as well. Doesn't cost you anything. I just share it with you. All right. What about a calibration of life? I just lost a friend to COVID. What about a calibration of life? Did you mean celebration? I just lost a friend to COVID. Yes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, I will. I'm going to do something very special then. Muzanella, one of our supporters here, just lost one of his friends to COVID, and we're very sad to hear that. You know, it makes you realise when you hear about it on the news, and then suddenly someone close to you, someone you talk to every day, like Muzanella, he tells us that he's lost a friend to COVID. So let's do that. Let's do that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my piano right now. What's the name of your friend? I need everyone's permission to do it, because we are a day trader channel, but I'm sure you want to support Muzanella because we've learned a lot from him, and he's asked for a tribute to his friend, so we're going to do it. I know exactly what I'm going to do as well. I've got a good idea. So if everyone could write the word yes in the live chat, I want the majority of traders right now who agree to it, because we're a trading channel, and I want Jimmy Klein. Jimmy Klein, there we go. Jimmy Klein is a celebrity on our show today. We mentioned his name. Bless him, Jimmy Klein. He's just passed away from COVID. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go over to my piano, and we're going to do a song for Muzanella's friend who passed away, and it gives me the greatest honor. Really, I couldn't care less today that I've made $117 on Lucid. I'm more honored and more happy to be able to do this. So there we go. Let me go to the back of my studio. I know exactly what I'm going to do for our friend here, Jimmy Klein, who just passed away of COVID. Thank you ever so much, everyone that's given us the permission to do it. So let me go over now to the back of the studio. If we've got friends watching on TikTok now, and you want to be part of our tribute to Muzanella's friend, Jimmy Klein, come and join us now on YouTube. All right, click the profile here, click the icon, click the YouTube link, and be part of something beautiful and special, right? Because I'm sure that Muzanella will share this with the family and friends, all right? So this is for Jimmy Klein, okay? All right, let me go over now to the back of the studio. I know exactly what I'm going to do. All right, we're in the hot seat once again, and let me just get my music up, because this is what I want to use. And Jimmy Klein. This is for you from your friend, Muzanella. So I'd like to dedicate this very special song to a friend of ours here in the Day Trader today, who's let us know about the sad news of his friend who passed away because of COVID. But to lose a friend at any time is just the worst news. So this is for Jimmy Klein and all the family and friends of Jimmy Klein. We're going to remember him today, celebrate his life, and this is the song I'd like to sing for him now. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I am found. Was blind, but now I see. 'Twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieved. How precious did that grace appear the hour I first believed. Oh, amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I am found. Was blind, but now I see. And that was especially there for Jimmy Klein, friend of Muzanella. Muzanella is a friend of ours every day here on The Day Trader. We're very sorry to hear the news, and we send all our love to Jimmy Klein and all the family and friends of Jimmy Klein. There we go. Okay, we're back in this part of the studio once again, and that was for Muzanella. Okay, let's finish my cup of tea. Muzanella, what I'll do, I will take that part of the video and I will edit it down, and I will upload it within half an hour of my show, half an hour to an hour, about an hour from the end of this show. So if you you have this video, but because it's very, very special, of course, and you may want to share it with family members. I don't want to have to scroll through making money with Lucid. So I'll edit the video down and I will post it to the Martyn Lucas channel. I'll probably post... No, I won't post it here. This is part of this show. I will post it to the Martyn Lucas channel within an hour of me finishing today's show. I will edit it, post it. If you have a picture of your friend, please send it in to me. Let me give my number on the screen and my email, and I will put that picture on the thumbnail. So it will be a permanent tribute to your friend. So if you want to, you can email a picture into me. So martyn@martynlucas.com. There is my email, okay, on the screen. Please can I forward it to his Facebook page where thousands of people will cry while listening to you? Well, of course you can. Thank you very much for wanting to share it. So I will make that video. It'll only take me an hour, so I'll be on it. The moment I go off air here, I will go back in, find that piece, edit it. If you give me his a picture of his, I've given you my email. You could email it to me. If it's easier to text it to me, 5913. There's my number as well in the live chat. There's my number. You can text my cell phone as well. Image, whichever way is easiest, and then I will do that straight afterwards. Within an hour it'll be done, and I need to add you as a friend on Facebook then. Let me go into Facebook, see if I can find you, Facebook, because I will share it with you. But are you a fan of mine on the Martyn Lucas channel? Can you already find me? Are you already subscribed? Will you find the video? I'll tell you where it will be. If you go to my this is where it will be. Okay? If you're on the Day Trader right now, which is where you are, you scroll down, here's Martyn Lucas. I don't know if you've already subscribed to Martyn Lucas. And then scroll down, uploads. It'll be here. It'll be right here. The latest upload. It'll be in this spot right here. And from there, you can click share and everything else. But if you email or text me or add me as a friend on Facebook, I'll also post it there for you and do whatever you want me to do. All right? There we go. Okay. Let's move on now. And we are up 0.42 today on the stock today. Can I get the scores? Let's see. Let's see today who is up the most. Who is up the most today? I am up 0.45. Does anybody beat me? I'm sure a lot of you do. But let's have a look. Let's go through some of these. NRXP, let's have a look. Not a bad day for them, actually, is it? I'm up 0.48, so get your score in quickly because I'm increasing. There we go. I'm increasing by the second, so you better be quick. Johnson & Johnson up 0.53. Tesla up 0.14. Great. I have, what do I have now? 2.6 shares of that. Facebook up 0.38. Apple up 1.41. Coca-Cola is down. Sorry, it's up 0.44. What am I talking about? AT&T up nearly 1%. Great. Lovely. Disney just breaking zero. Google is up today 0.49. Microsoft, we talked about this earlier with this ever growing growth, up 0.36. McDonald's is up as well, 0.32. Walmart is up 0.64. Virgin Galactic today is just recovered slightly but not making any money. Rolls-Royce up 2%. I just texted his picture. Let me have a check, see if I've got it. attachment. Hey, oh, what a legend. Wow, he was a fit bloke too, right? I mean, as in fit and strong, like, you know, he was a very healthy guy by the looks of this. Look at the muscles in there, look. This is our friend, everybody. This is Jimmy Klein. This is our friend Jimmy Klein. There he is. Look at him. What a legend. Very fit guy. Look at that. Very healthy guy. So there you go. Lesson to us all. All right. Fit, strong, young people. All right. There's Jimmy Klein. And Jimmy Klein is going to be the focus of that video. He's going to be right on the thumbnail. And that's when we finish here. Thank you very much for that. Very, very, very nice. Thank you. Rolls-Royce up, amazing, up 45%. We covered the news here. Was getting baptized. Oh, that's what he was doing. Great stuff. I thought he was having a shower or something. There we go. Up 0.51 today. Lucid dropped back a bit and still on fire. Well, go figure. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. This is it. Harpoon Therapeutics just dropped back a bit. I don't want to see that. I definitely don't want to see that as I increased my investment in them. But let's look at it. Every time it tries to get off the ground, it drops back again. I hate seeing that. But anyway. Wow, Muzanella is up 15.83. Carnival is up a little bit today as well. Argo blockchain. I'd love the Argo blockchain Twitter conversationalists to join me. They may be in the channel watching. I don't know, but you know, I don't like when people are down. I'm not trying to like beat anyone or, you know, be right and all that. But I'd like them to be, you know, coming into the channel and discussing it, because at the end of the day, you know, I was right, wasn't I? I mean, you know, you don't need to know everything, and you don't need to be able to understand everything to still get things right. You know, clearly wasn't the right time to invest at the moment. This may suddenly surge, but I don't see it. I don't see it at all. I did say I would invest in blockchain for the crack of it if it dropped below 14 or 13 maybe, but not at this price. I don't see it. But anyway, what do I know? Just a guy on the internet. Up 0.23. Bitcoin on the last hour, a bit of a recovery. Today, it's pretty flat now. So this is nice. That was starting to consolidate around this 42. Look at it. It's been like this now for a while, around this 42. Could be preparing for a rebound. It's moving in the last few minutes. Look at it go. Look. That's good. That's going to make a big difference to my portfolio if I look at it up 0.23. So I'm not even going to ask anyone else. I'm sure that Muzanella is the winner for the day. So let's give it to Muzanella. Right, Muzanella is the trader of the day. Congratulations to you. He's up 15.83%. So some good news for Muzanella today. That's nice. Okay, I am going to end the show now and make Muzanella's video. So it'll be about an hour from when I finish. Of course, I am back later on today for the closing bell. Let me give everybody the link. For some reason you don't follow me yet and you're not sure about anything, you can always find, you go to the Day Trader, scroll down upcoming live streams. It's like a TV guide, and you may see for the very first time there's gaps approaching at the end here, because we're coming to the end. We're only going to be live for another till Friday, and then we're taking a month off from this structure. I will be going live. I will be doing videos, but I won't be doing them from my studio as we're rebuilding the studio. Maintenance needs to be done. So that's why I'm not scheduling any shows at the moment. But if you want to join me for today's show, the closing bell, here is the closing bell link. And if you want to join me tonight for the after show party, when I think, I've got an idea, Muzanella, I don't know if it's convenient for you at all, but tonight, if you go on the main, to my Martyn Lucas channel, let's celebrate the life of your friend today. Let's celebrate the life of your mate today. In the after show party here, we'll have a few beers and we'll have a sing-along. Tell me some of his favourite songs and I'll sing them in the show. So this is the show. I'm going to give you the link, right? Upcoming live streams. Here we go. Here is the link. What do you think about that? If I give you the link here, we'll toast the life in a fun way tonight for Muzanella's friend. It sounds good. So there is the link to the show for tonight. Did I just post that in there? I did. Right. And I'm going to give you the songbook. Find the songs that he likes to sing, and we'll make a video for him. We'll have a fun party tonight celebrating his life, right? Here is my song list of all the songs I know. See if you can find some songs from him. And if you want to tell your friends to join us, what we'll do, we'll have a few beers and we'll sing his favourite songs. So how about that? All right. Can you also in that text put me his name again? I want to make sure I spell it correctly. Can you just text me back again with his name? So make sure I in fact I've got it. But can you just text it me? So because when this show ends, that will disappear. Jimmy Klein. I want to make sure I spell it correctly. So please do just send that over to me. All right, we're going to end the show now. Thank you very much for being here. And we'll have a little party tonight for Jimmy. And I will do that video very shortly. Okay, well, thank you ever so much, everyone, for being part of it. This is my payment, my reward for this. I'm here every day doing this. And I've got a family who come on and support us. We've got 23 likes today, which is brilliant. And we've made some money. We've celebrated the life of Jimmy. We're going to do a lot more tonight. I'll make that video right now. And it's been great. I love it. Fantastic. Thank you very much for being part of it today. I'll see you all back later. If you could watch the live premiere, it'll be in about an hour and 10 from now. I'd love to see you watching it live with Muzanella. Get those live comments in so we've got a permanent memorial and remembrance of Jimmy Klein. That would be great. All right, see you all back later on today. I'll join you live in an hour or so for the live premiere of Jimmy's video. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other.